Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I thought I would record a morning clean with me. I know a lot of you like cleaning videos, so hopefully this motivates you to get some things done around your home. I pretty much always start with making my bed. So once I get dressed, I open up the shades, make my bed. It only takes a couple minutes and it makes such a difference. It's always great to start your day with a good habit. And I want to challenge you. If you haven't made your bed today, maybe after you watch this video, you can go make your bed. It looks so nice, doesn't it? I have a heap of laundry to do. I just grabbed all of the towels from the boys' bathroom and our bathroom, so I'm throwing those in. That way they can wash while I am getting other things done around the house. I usually don't have this much laundry all at once, but my son Josh was going on his senior trip and he had some new clothes that he had to wash, and he was washing things to get ready for that. So I skipped a day of laundry and then had towels, and it just piled up, and you guys know how it piles up. And I'm sure if you have little kids or more kids than I do, you know the laundry. It just appears out of nowhere. So I just have a couple more loads to do after I do the towels. Now I'm doing some zone cleaning. I just have a little bit to do, and I just work in one zone per week. So I'm in the kitchen this week. I have videos on all of my zone cleaning and what I do in each zone. So I'll link that playlist here on the screen and also in the description box below. I think it's such a great way to clean. I got the idea from Fly Lady, but I switched up my zones a little bit so it works well for my family. But if you want to check those videos out, I think they're extremely helpful. And so I am cleaning the things that are on the countertop. So the canister that holds my cooking utensils gets crumbs in there and things, and my tray that holds my fruit, you know, after it's been out and you're cooking, crumbs and food splatters and stuff like that. So I try to keep up with it so that way it doesn't get too gross. I always get asked about this tray when I show it. Sorry, I have a cold and I'm trying to get over it, so if my voice sounds bad, well, it's because I have a cold. But anyway, the tray I got at Target a while ago, probably about 3 or 4 years ago when we first bought our house. And this stainless steel canister I think I got at Home Goods a while ago. I always get asked about these fruit bowls. I got those at Home Goods as well. They still have them or something very similar every once in a while. So if you're looking for something like that, definitely check Home Goods. I wanted to tell you about another amazing offer from Grove Collaborative. You guys know I love Grove Collaborative. I get my cleaning products from there, and they have lots of great products as well. So with a purchase of $20, if it's your first order, you will get a Mrs. Meyer's spring scented hand soap, dish soap, multi-surface spray, and their bubble up brush. Look how cute that is, and I love this thing. I actually broke the thing for my last one, but I used it all the time, so I was glad to get a new one. And you'll also get the walnut scrubber sponges. You can select peony, mint, and lilac. All of those scents smell amazing. I got the mint scent and I just love that. So be sure to use the link in the description box below for that great offer, and it's just until supplies last, so be sure to jump on it if you are interested. I got a new mortar and pestle. I saw it at Home Goods and it's olive wood. I love olive wood. I think it's so beautiful, so I just had to get it. I always get asked about why I keep my pineapples upside down. So it helps them to ripen, so they will turn more yellow and be sweet and delicious. If you've never tried it, definitely try it. It works every time. You can tell which side of the toaster we always use. Okay, now I am vacuuming the whole house. If you've been with me for a while, you know how I clean my house, but I always have new viewers who ask. So I do one cleaning task per day throughout the whole house. And what I mean by that is on Monday, I dust the entire house. On Tuesdays, I do the glass and mirrors throughout the whole house. On Wednesdays, I vacuum. On Thursdays, I dust and wash the hardwood floors. On Fridays, I clean the bathrooms and wash the laundry room floor. And on Saturday, I change and wash the sheets. I love this way of cleaning. When we had a smaller house, I could clean the whole house in one day, and it didn't take me very long. But when we moved, I did clean the whole house in one day for a while, and I have a video on that if you like cleaning that way. It was when we first moved in, but I found that cleaning just one task a day really helps to cut down the time. And I also always start in the same spot and go around the house in the same exact order. If you've watched a lot of my cleaning videos, you know this, but I always start in the entryway. I go in John's office. I didn't show that because I never know what he might have out work related stuff, but it is over there off to the right. And then I go up the stairs, come down and do our bedroom and the living room. I always go in the same order. I learned that from Fly Lady too, and it really helps you not to get sidetracked. And the more you do a habit, the less time it takes, so I can get it done really quickly. I vacuum my whole house in about 20 minutes if I don't do the basement. If I do the basement, it takes probably about 10 to 15 minutes longer because we do have a lot of carpet in our basement. But anyway, it's a great way to clean. I have tons of cleaning videos on my channel. I will link some of them for you, and I also have them in playlists. So if you want to check more cleaning videos out to see the way that I clean, I have those for you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out Grove Collaborative if you haven't already. It's a great offer for you all. And I also have some cleaning videos here on the screen that you can click on if you want some more cleaning motivation, and I'll have some in the description box as well. I hope you all have a wonderful day.